I'd love to go camping. What do I need? There are 3 common types of camping: tent, RV and cabin rental. Each of these types of camping can be great fun. No matter the type of camping trip you plan to take, you need to prepare for just about anything. Read the guide below to learn how to make your camping trip as enjoyable as it can possibly be. A great item to put in your camping backpack when going in the backcountry is a Ziploc bag filled with dryer lint. There is no better fire-starting material than dryer lint. It will hold a spark and get your fire going quickly and efficiently. Dryer lint takes up almost no space in your pack and is very lightweight. A good multi-purpose tool needs to be part of your camping gear. There are 2 kinds to bring. First is the saw/hammer/axe 3-in-1 tool to use for firewood and other chores. The other is the standard multi-purpose tool with a variety of tools on it like a can opener, tweezers, scissors, and a knife. You don't have to be a Boy Scout to be prepared, if you plan to go camping. One of the first rules is to be sure to tell somebody where you will be. If there isn't an exact location to give, then give a general idea of major roads nearby or even GPS coordinates if you know them, and give a time frame of when you plan to return. With camping, comes the campfire. Make sure your campfire is in an open space and far enough away from brush or trees so you don't run the risk of a stray spark catching them on fire. Surround the fire with stones to help keep it contained. Most importantly, never leave any campfire unattended. If you need to leave for any reason, make sure the campfire is extinguished completely. This guide can help a camper of any level find new ways to prepare for their camping trip. Use it as you plan your next excursion and you are sure to have the time of your life. Plan, prepare and enjoy your very next camping trip this coming camping season. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.